What's up, everybody? Second time on this morning. I was on I don't know what time it was. What time was it, like 5 or something? 5 a.m. Live trading, 7/16/24. Hopefully, my children's cars are delivered today. And that can be all done and taken care of. I'm getting the YouTube channel set up as usual. Good morning to each and every one of you. What you're looking at is US 30, 1, 2, 3 times I called to do the buy. Told you was going to do before it happened, showed you was going to do before it happened. Matter of fact, traded that trade with you. Hope some of you did it too. Demo trade only, of course. But US 30 was a very easy buy. All you had to do was listen. So hopefully a few of you did. I'll explain that trade. And I think we're up and running on YouTube. Let's take a look. Oh boy, feel better. I ate today. I've eaten twice actually. How exciting is I broke my fast at 12 days. What's up, Azar? Good morning, Botnator. Good to see you back, Botnator. What's up, Builder Voss? What's up, Hughes Craft? Welcome for the win today. US 30 for the win today. Yep, that's what I was just talking about. Good for you, Azar. Let me sit down. I still don't have my strength overly back. Anyone says you stay strong while fasting for 12 days is a liar. You're fine, but you're just weak. I was getting exhausted very easily. What's up, LT for the second? LT been number one for a while, all morning long. Good morning for the second time. Yes, LT. I did. I got like an hour and a half more sleep. Actually, I'm gonna take a nap after this. And again, morning, Jason McCain, again for the second time. Good morning, Botnator. Thank you, Botnator, for being on both. If you guys can be on both TikTok and YouTube, I'd appreciate it. Plus, the YouTube sound is so much, this TikTok sounds so much better. It was 4 something. Oh, 4 o'clock in the morning. Maybe it was. No, really. Good morning, Matt Parker. Good morning, Anthony Villalobos. I can't say good morning, Tony. Good morning, Richard Brown. Awesome. There's a few you hear. Not that many. I'm kind of surprised. What's up, Keith Palmer, the great Keith Palmer? Put some respect on his name, the man, the myth, and the legend. The gentleman who's coded all this greatness you're seeing before your eyes. What's up, Keith? Oh, wrote the fast, Keith. Keith is on his second day of fasting. Is it second or your first? Can't remember. But I just finished mine this morning after 12 days. So I made this tiny, it's like a zucchini crust pizza. Anyway, soft mozzarella cheese and stuff. And all this, I love this. What's his face barbecue sauce on there? I couldn't even finish half of it. And I broke my fast with some blueberries, raspberries, avocado, um, a handful of cashews, handful of these oven baked nuts, and then I think that was it. And then about 4 hours later, that's when I had the pizza thing. Easy, day 2, easy peasy. There you go, Keith. Is there any food left in the house? I couldn't eat, Keith. I got so full, it was crazy. My stomach shrunk down. Good morning, Joe. I know Joe Big was on both. Hot near since 12 days, wow. Yeah, it was good. My longest one was like 22, 23 days. Good morning, Jeremy. Good morning, Don't Cast Stones. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. And what's up, D Nice? I profited 5 times, 4 straight trading days. Nice, Tony. Anthony Villalobos. Congratulations. Standing O to you. Aren't you on your third $3,000 draw out of your account? Yeah. I still say, and I'll say this to my dying breath, that this system is the best way to make consistent profits. I got to be honest with you, it's the only way to make consistent profits. Got to follow the rules or buy, in my opinion, buy tier three of the signal service. You can just trade arrow to arrow on TikTok. Thanks, Midge. Good morning, Midge. Yeah, that is a great job, Tony. Let me see my trades. Let me see my trades. I'm out here helping you guys. I haven't even looked. All right, let's take a look. I'm tempted to close down my US here. I did a US oil one strictly based on a weekly, so this might be negative for a while. I did that this morning at 4:30. I might want to go recheck that in case I was sound asleep when I did it. That gold I did it on 7/12. Just a beautiful call. I'll show you why I took that. US 30, of course, 900 pips up over US 30 in 1,400 pips over. You can imagine over 1,400 pips profit, over 900 pips profit on US. What the odds USD again? Now I'm going to check that. I might because it went up and touched this week line. I might just close this. Let's see something before I do. NAS up 1,700 pips. Yeah, that's insanity. We have one trade up 1,700 pips. I have one trade up over 1,400 pips. I have one trade up over 900. I'm not sure if any of you are experienced traders or not, but those are insane. I never thought in my wildest dreams I'd be able to do anything like that, until I had this system. Just waiting for people to come in. What's up, Jay Parker? Good morning, sir. Good morning, Jones 808. Right. While we're waiting, I'm going to pop open my usual. United States of America Patent and Trademark Office has issued a registered trademark about the safety trade indicators therein to me by for the field coaching. It's one coaching in the field of building generational wealth. I am not a financial advisor. So I left up Keith. This is what the video Keith did put in your alerts. Also, legal disclaimer, not financial advisors. Keith is not free, isn't no one associated with the channel is. You're just social media influencers. You use demo money only. Everything's at your own risk. You're an adult, make your own damn decisions. And we only trade green up arrow, red down arrow. You understand that? Hey, where's Mr. C been? Oh, I miss him. Let me go back. Keith Palmer has done alert setup video, how to set up alerts on, you know, how to set up alerts on creating. Please always check your rules. This is one of the reasons why you want to check your rules. There they are. Thank you, Keith, for doing that. Again, consistent profits is the whole purpose. Consistent profits through trading. What's up, George? Hi. No one said yes on you. If someone can please type out yes on YouTube, I'd appreciate that so I can move on. Look at that shit. Damn, boy. Look at that. Let me see what time period it is. Like 10 minutes. Well, you guys type out the word yeah, yes. I'm going to come over here and see. So go down and touch. Play any sell stop on that. So that's 15-minute blue line. Then look for a 1 hour buy stop on that. Yeah. It's trying to hook down right here. It's going to do this partial hook. It's going to come down just this little bit, hook and come back up again. That's what NAS is going to do. Find your sniper. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. I'm no pirate. Good morning. I'm no pirate. Good morning, Jeremy. Thank you, Keith. How do you get tier 3 service? What's up, Limo? You get tier 3 service. Well, first of all, you have to have our system. If you have the system, you get tier 3 service. Oh, I activated the wrong one. No, it does not. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. I have the right ones. Fine. Now, what the fuck? Hold on a second here. Let me see something. Hey, Keith, if you're still here, look at US 30 daily, weekly, and go to the and check out the daily, hourly. Interesting. And then check out why it didn't call. I don't know if we did an update on that or if this isn't the I might not be using the updated version, to be honest with you. We need this to, I don't know why. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, no, no, this should be called. Yeah, just the weekly, daily, Keith, if you can check that out in US 30. Daily, weekly. I'm missing the call right here. There should be two of them. Bop, bop. Hit the like button. Hey, Ken, what's up, Ken? I hope my training helped you, sir. If it didn't, please let me know. Me and Ken had a little one-on-one the other day. What's up, Richard Graham? What's up, Jeremy? Oh, limo. How do you get tier 3 service? You go over here to the safety trade, buy the system. Once you have the system, you get the sniper for $150 a month, and then you can get the tier 3 system for $350 a month. Before you buy anything, though, and make sure I'm making correct calls and I'm not an idiot. I'm actually doing what I say I do. Watch a few of my lines. Sure. Yes, thank you. Oh, good, Ken. I'm glad it helped. Awesome. Have to call. All right. Is there anything we can get into now? Let's take a look. What I like to do is we call this easy. Get a 15-second, 30-second trade somewhere. This SPX isn't going to follow NAS right now. It just isn't. Hold on. No, nothing I can do on cold. No. 5-minute ricochet. It's already gone back down, touched it. Let me check oil. Yeah, here's oil. Buy stop. Play any 10-second. I can't believe I say this. 15-second, 30-second buy to oil towards oil. 30-second of 1-minute blue line. You don't know what a blue line is by the system. Yeah. Oh, you have both limo? Yay! Good for you, sir. Sorry, I don't recognize your name. I'm sorry. Yeah, just write a nicely worded email to Bree asking for tier 3. Uh, Forex safety trade at gmail.com. And that was a US oil buy, 5-second, 10-second, 30-second buy towards the 30-second blue line, which I think it'll hit, towards the 1-minute blue line. Yeah, probably to BBJPY. Would love to see one of these below there. Nope. Mm, mm, No. Can't call. Let me see. Was there any high one? Nope. No, nothing I can call. Just play any buy stop you can find, 15 seconds or daily on GBB JPY. It's always gone up for 4 years straight, and I mean gone up hard. Odd USD. This is what I want to check for me. Hold on. I'm gonna hold. Daily blue line, daily buy stop towards this blue line. I believe it'll touch it. I'm concerned because it's already filled in the gap and it's already did the decline. Might be a problem. This might flip and go, but I have profit locked in. But it was just a test. I want to see if we can get it to punch the blue line. I want to see how high this will go back up here. So don't take that trade. I'm taking the trade. You don't take the trade. See, it is. We found a little clear. I oh, what else left? XRP. I guess XRP is the next big thing. Other than who here has been? I literally have been screaming at you. Monthly buy stop XRP. I don't give two fucks what's happening. Who said that? Anyone remember me saying those words? Yes or no? For months now, months and months and months. I've been screaming at you. Oh, but XRP this, XRP is gonna win it. Well, fuck that. It's a monthly buy stop. Anyone remember that? Sevens for yeses, nines for no. If you don't remember it, I'm going off this line. I've been screaming it at you guys, screaming it. I've been buying XRP since 31 cents. Oh, it hit 70 cents. Go, little XRP. Ken Rose says 7, yes. Botnator says 7, yes. Well, that's at least 2 of you that were listening. There's 7. Okay, there's a few more. Thank you, guys. So I'm not changing my opinion on XRP. Ethereum, I think I did a very good analysis on Ethereum this morning. Daily buy stop, we caught it right here. Now it's there. So XRP was about 2013. Jiminy Chris, I bet you Larry's happy. It went up over $420 since I called this out on 625. Not going to call it. Bitcoin's the same thing, or if you call it, I've been calling it for a year, blah, blah. Amazon, another one. Any buy stop, 15 second through 12-hour buy stop on Amazon. Just keep playing them. I've been recommending Amazon, as I said a million times. 200. There's another film gap one right now. Must be a 4-hour buy. It is 7 hours. Yep. 12 hours. Nope. It's a 7-hour daily buy stop. I should get some. I have some in my actual. And that's it. If anybody would like me to call it anything else, please let me know. I'll call it any symbol right now. Anybody have any trading questions? Ask me. I don't want to answer questions that I've just gone over, but I'm going to go over how to trade the safety trade system, beginners class 101. I'm going to go over it right now. It's a refresher for a lot of it, and how the signal service is so fucking accurate. Can you look at USD JPY? Yes, sir. Sure will. USD JPY. USD JPY. USD JPY. Yes, sir. Let's take a look. Let's see. I thought I had this one open. CAD USD JPY. All right, let's take a look. Hmm. It has to come down a little further. I'm going to need this pink line to come down here. Then it's going to turn into a weekly buy. Short sell stop to the 15-second blue line. Short term USD JPY 15-second, 30-second sell towards the 30-second blue line, forming a 10-minute buy to the 5-minute blue line. Buy to the 5-minute blue line, forming a must be a nope, 12-hour. 12-hour daily buy. Yeah. I don't like this yet because it's just not down far enough here on the weekly, but it's still a nice trade. Put in your buy right here on the 12-hour. 12-hour daily buy USD. Ultimately, that's going to go up. All those other ones are just short term down. Cool. Jeremy, was that good enough? I hope so. Let's see. Let's go over. There we go. Gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, this is what we're going to do. We're going to go over this group of trades right here. I'm going to explain exactly how to take the trades without it. Then I'm going to show you how to use it with the sniper. Then I'm going to show you how to use it with the tier 3 signals. Okay. Now we're on USD JPY. What you're going to see here is the traditional way of the original way of trading for us. Is without this. Watch. Is we look. What do we look for? Let me show you what we look for. We're looking here, right here. We're looking for right here, green, 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 red, green, green. So that's what we're looking for, a little pattern. And that's called our buy stop. A buy stop is over here and show you. This Keith, I don't know. He's over here. All right. I'll have to wait a second for poor Keith. All right. So this is what I see. Green, 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 red, green, green. It's a buy stop. That's tradition. To put it in easy terms for you, in our business, it's very simple. Red means down. That's the red. That means it's going to go down. But green means up. So we have these three real direction bars, 1, 2, and 3. And we have the Bach up here, 2. So we literally have 5 green versus 1 red. So I hate to go into math. Nobody likes math around here. But is 5 bigger than 1? Yes. Would 5 guys beat up 1 guy? Yes. Would 5 anything be superior to 1 anything? Yes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green up arrows, only 1 down arrow. So that means this is gonna push and pull this trade up. Okay, so 5 is bigger than 1. 7s if you guys understand that, 9s if you don't. You're welcome, Jeremy. So 5 is bigger than 1 and 5 wins. Take me to church. Oh, see, good. All right, awesome. So if we understand that, and there it goes, and it went up, what do you know? So let's take a look in a book, reading Rainbow. So this is called the traditional buy stop. $575 a year to have this on your charts. It only gets installed on TradingView. It's 1 year, then you if you like it, pay it again. It's not an auto draw if you want to renew, you do it. Green, 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 red, green, green. That's it. There's nothing special about it. But I found out over the years, several of you had trouble seeing. You couldn't catch it right. You kept getting hurt. You kept getting. I personally I knew you guys were trading on a pretty to you, but I decided to say, hey, I'll help out my hundreds, actually over 1,000 members, and I'll create a cipher to help them with entry. So the very first time you see this all pull down, the blue and the pink and purple, doesn't matter with purple, but as they all pull down and this occurs the very first time. Well, there isn't anything over here to show you that it did that. Look, nothing. This is the first time they all did. So when that happens and you have the blue pulled against it, I'll show you that later. This is called a sniper entry and pop. So you can use the sniper. $50 a month. I'm upfront with everything. I can give 2 fucks if you buy something or you don't. But this, I will never trade without the sniper. All our signals you're about to see are based off the sniper. And what is a signal? A signal is these lines you see here. It literally tells you when to trade. The whole system is made for beginners. If you can see green, 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 red, green, green, you can trade. If you can see the blue is down low, you can trade. You know what we did is we had a couple things you have to look at 2 levels, but we made the signals to send out to you guys. You literally can have this put on your charts if you're tier 3. And it says an up arrow by D2 right here. There it is. It says it. Notice that? Okay. Right when I told you there was a buy, the sniper told you there was a buy, the traditional system told you it was a buy, the signal service tells you there's a buy. Also, there's a third one. I mean, can be now. The problem with the traditional system and the sniper for that matter is it can't pick up on the nuance that the signals can. Because Keith, the great Keith Palmer, made the signal service according to the way I trade. Let me give you a hint. I screw things up here or there, but overall, as you guys see me in 1,700 YouTube videos over the last coming 2 years, I miss but it's rare. The signal service has none of my human emotions, so I suspect an 80% win rate minimum, and more likely a 90, 95, or 100% win rate. I don't know how they're gonna guess. So let me show you how this works. Take me to church. Let me go down to his daily. Let's go down here to the take me to church. See, by the way, let's take a look. Here is a daily buy, but it never engaged with any other calls. I'm going to teach you what that means. Look at that core for the machine. Here you the machine gun in all its glory. Look at this shit. Every one of those green lines is a buy, by the way. Let's just pretend it. Here's our D2. Okay? D2 means daily. If you come over here and look, you're going to see the dailies on the top. This is just a quick explanation. I told you how to use the without the signals, without the sniper. I taught you how to use the sniper. Now I'm teaching how to use the tier 3 signals. The daily controls the hourly. No longer do you match the 5 minute minute. You match the 5 minute in the daily. No longer do you 10 minute and the 15 minute. You match the 10 minute to the daily. No longer do you match the 15 minute to the 30. You match the 15 minute to the daily and so on. This is called the daily is called the pre-signal. It's called the pre-signal because it's telling you before pre the actual signals come out. Before these major 2.0 signals. What? To me, to this day, I am still stunned that I made a signal service that can do this. It calls out signals, lets you know ahead of time in the future that these ones might be coming. If they do show, you take it the first time. You can do market order. Okay, let's go back here. I think we can replay these. Most of the time, it's been working for the most part. No guarantee. So I'm going to show you once here. Shit, we take me to church. So here we go. This is actually Trading Views live play. There's nothing faking it. There's nothing I can do to change it. There it is. Now you can take this daily order, but I don't recommend. I recommend you wait until you see 5 minute, 10 minutes. One of these change the green. Okay, we're going to wait until we see one of those change the green. Oh, it might not be catching these. Yeah, hold on. Take me to church. Dun, 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 dun. Mm. Yeah, I didn't catch it. I'm going to go back to that area. Sometimes the playback doesn't catch you. Imagine all these that missed. It definitely didn't. So I'm going to go back to here. Oh, it might have. I'm going to go back to here and see if we can still kind of force it to see these trades. Take me to church. So you can clearly see D1's green. We're waiting for one of these. It's usually going to be 90% of the time. It's going to be an M5, N10, or 15. Right? There it is. When these two match for the first time, you can do what's called a market order. You put in a buy. Market execution order. Any future trades that you see these turn green, you're going to have to put in what's called a rules order. You can still take the trade. You just follow the two-step rules. So watch what happens here. Play this. Okay, we're going to stop. M10 popped up. You take the trade. How long you hold it is just don't be greedy. That's all. It's missing so many of them. Look, all these popped up. You can enter them again and market order if you want, or you don't have to. That's up to you. There was another 5 in there. Look at your money. And then that's basically it, the idea. And that's how you take the trades. First time it happens, market execution. Second times are two-step rule entries. We follow our rules. You can enter as many times as you like. That's all there is. So I've literally made trading, consistent profit trading, where all you have to do is match up arrow to arrow. That's it. If you can match up arrows, now if one turns red, which it never will, but if you wouldn't take the trade. But if they're both green, you take the trade. I know. Pretty simple for everybody. Yes. Not pretty simple. No. Tier one student process. We don't see them on the chart. We can't see them in Discord. Then what are the next steps? Yes, absolutely, Richard. What's up, Larry? What happens with the news? Obviously, you don't have the system if you did. Well, for beginners especially. It says right here. It says right here. It says right here. Hold on. It says all. Do not take a trade before any CPI, FOMC, or NFP days. It works perfectly. I've been trading for 2 years through so many CPIs and PPIs and NFPs. I'm experienced since I created the system. I can do it very easily. I strongly recommend you do that trade any Tuesdays until you get extremely comfortable with the system. Then you can trade it all you want. That's what happens with the next. There's no service trades, just like you. What does it not show many? Why does it not show what? Hold on. More signals. What does that mean? Sukar. He trades exactly like me. Why does it not show more signals? I'm going to get back to yours. Don't worry about the Discord one. It shows exactly. If you want more signals, why does it show more signals? That's the silliest thing I ever heard. Why doesn't it show more signals? I'm a little confused. So let's go over this right here and this right here. Everybody out there, every one of these lines on TikTok and YouTube, every one of these lines out here, you can't even see it on TikTok. These are all signals to take a buy. Is that a lot of signals to say take a buy, or is that a few signals to take a buy? I can't even count these. That's not true. I'm sure I could. Look at all this. It's a sea of green. He wants more signals than that. Are you fucking kidding me? I think he's joking at this point. There's literally what, 30 signals, 40 signals to take a buy, 20, 30 signals to take a buy. Is that a lot of signals? Yes or no? Everybody answer. I'm not going forward until you all answer. It only forms a signal and sends a signal, just like me, when it sees the proper trade. It doesn't send signals on shit fucking trades. That's why there's not a lot of signals, because it doesn't send you the wrong signal, just like I don't send out wrong signals. It trades exactly like I do. I didn't fucking stutter. It's exactly how I trade. Clear? Am I clear? If you don't think fucking 40 signals on a buy is a lot, you're clueless. If you don't think 20 or 30 signals on a buy is a lot, there's no helping you with trading. Please don't buy my system. If you're in it, please learn and don't be ignorant at this point. Please. Wow. Correct. It's called the safety tree system. Chairman said. Yeah, we take the safest trays around here. It's not called take every fucking little shitty trade in the whole fucking world system. People out there. This isn't a lot of trade. I think this is the most beautiful sight you're ever going to see in your life. When you see the, I swear, I should call them Netflix signals, but they sue me. Look at this shit. Look at all those buys on NAS. That's not a lot of signals. It's a clown world we're living in, a clown world. Look at this daily one right here. All these signals, clown world. See this one? Never engaged. Never called out another signal. Look at all these. Day 4, correct. Look at all these. All these. Look at all these. Look at all those. Look, it's a fucking sea of green of buy side. Look at day 1. Day 2 signal. Day 1 green. That's not enough signals for him? Who the fuck said that? Sukar. Tell me right now that's not a lot of signals. I'm going to go ahead and block you from YouTube. You're annoying me that much. Say it that that's not a lot of signals. I know you're a liar. Let me be clear. Boy, my energy is back now. I fasted for 12 days, but I ate and I'm done. I ain't telling any of the silliness no more. This is fun. I ain't telling any of the stupid ass shit anymore. More signals. It's the quality of the signals, not the quantity. It's even so what? You're right, Keith. It is the quality. That's what the space is saying about safe trade. But these are tons and tons of signals. By the way, work on sales. This is good. Look at your day 1 first signal right here. You always take the first signal in market order. Look at it. That's not enough sell stop for you. That's not enough sell stop for you. Where are you? Souk car. That's not enough sell stops for you, Souk. Probably about 100% signal. Nice, Mike. I don't look at those. I don't recommend. They still work. Enough that. Look, every time there's a proper buy, shit tons of signals come out. Every time there's a proper buy, there's a mega fuck ton of signals. You're telling me, Stu Carr, that this isn't. Look at them all. You want me to count these up? Look at how many signals were right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't even know. This is probably 50 signals, all correct. You notice there's not one wrong signal ever. But you go ahead and sue Car. Just go. Just get out of here, bro. It's a joke. You're a clown. It's a joke world. We're not living in your world. We're living in reality where this is a fucking shit ton of signals, bro. I guess he wants to have signals every minute of every day. We'll go down to the 30 seconds. You'll see a shit ton. And even this is just your hourly to 5 minute signals. If you go down to the hour, the daily 5 minutes, hour, 30 second signals, or even more than this. But whatever. Get the fun. People are so weird. Let me go on record in telling every one of you listening, this is the best signal service in the history of trading. I will go down and record. I'll put my, I haven't done this week. I'll put my signal service against Sukar. I'll put my signal service in the world against any trader in the world. Boy, it's ringing in my house. Any trader in the world can come on my live, make some call outs, and I'll take my daily, well, I prefer my weekly daily, but I'll take a daily 5 minute, 10 minute, as long as it's the right trade. I'll read it myself and prove it. I will take my signal service over any other trader in the world. My computerized AI coded by the great Keith Palmer signal service will beat any other trader in the world. Come on here on the live, Sukar. Make your call out, Sukar. Come on here, buddy. Make your call out. Stand behind your Baja. You ain't gonna do it. But come on, I'll take it. If you have to be in America, I'm not bullshitting around with that WhatsApp crap. If you have an American phone number and you're a trader, call in. I will absolutely, this signal service, and if by some miracle, God, you defeated my signal service, which cannot happen, will not happen. If you did, I'll trade against you. And I will crush you into the ground. I'll do fucking open trades where I'm trading intra-candle. This signal service is so good, it will never lose to any other trader in the world. Call in. I'm here every day, 2, 3 times. I've already been on twice this morning. I'll probably be on later this evening. Call in. Go ahead. Call in. What's up, latest? I'm waiting. I've been waiting for months and months. I've always said that the system is better than any other trade in the world. I said if there's any doubters, you can't be a doubter anymore because these lines are non-retraceable, repaintable. They never change. If this here, it's here, it's here. 20 years from now, the same exact trade. There it is. Sukar, you got quiet, bro. Where you at, bro? Drop the mic. No, right, Fish? That's it. The bottom line is my signal service will beat any other trader in the world. That's it. Sukar, go ahead. Find a trader, bring him on here, let him make his calls live. Let him come on here and make his calls live every day for the last 2 years. Let him come out here for 1,700 live YouTubes. Let him come on here every day for 2 years and make calls like I do. And let's see in 2 years who made the most right calls. Hell, I'll just give you one. Some Yahoo wants to come on here and make a call. Feel free. Go ahead. Come on. I'll take any trader on against my signal service. They ain't gonna win. They can't win. The signal service is flawless. I can't show you a wrong trade because it's been wrong. I'm not saying on the 30 seconds there could be an issue because it gets in and out real fast. I don't know about that. Weekly, daily, forget about it. Forget about the daily, hourly, or the daily 5 minute, 10 minute, 50 minute, 30 minute, hourly. Forget about it. It's not going to be wrong. Sukar, where'd you go, bro? Sukar, where'd you go? I'm up 30 pips on SPX. 30 pips is a shit ton. Yes, it is. Fantastic. All right. I guess Sukar left the talk. Clown world we live in. A clown world. I'm not going to let anyone disparage their signal service. I'm not letting anyone disparage the signal service or my system. I have a beautiful wife I will protect with my life. I have 2 beautiful children I will protect with my life. I have the most flawless trading system to get you profits in the history of trading. I will protect it with my life. No one's going to talk shit about it. No one. Period. It works. There is no more debate. Does it? We're before. Oh, you have this rule, Kevin. This rule's confusing. That rule's confusing. It ain't confusing no more. Do you see a line? Do you see another line? Take the
trade. You see an arrow? You see the other arrow? Take the trade the first time it happens. Don't give me the this arrow to this arrow didn't work. Don't give me the this arrow to this arrow that didn't work. This line to this didn't work. It works. Matter of fact, we're gonna make the first time run, which answers the other gentleman's question about tier one. All right, so let's go into tier one. How would you trade it? Does anybody have any questions of me speaking the truth to Sue, or whatever his name was? Anybody at all have any questions? Does anyone all here doubt what I'm saying? I don't understand what the doubters. You can't doubt. Day two, take the first trade right. When that pops up, you take the trade and did it not? Use your eye. Here it is. First time it went up. Oh, really? Well, I bet you didn't do it over here. It went up over here even more than I can see on my chart. Here's D1. Happened always the best. There's your next arrow or your next trade. And for those of you that are in tier one or tier two, what you have to do, because it's sending out signals for NAS, you have to manually keep track when you see a D1 signal on NAS. Then you have to manually wait for it to send out a signal. You're in the watch. You go over here to the Discord room. He said tier one. Over tier one, we're on daily hourly. So this is what you would do. You would wait for one of these trays to come out and it says time frame D1. Okay? Then that's this thing. Then you have to manually wait for the signal to be called on the NAS again, if you're following NAS, for a 5 minute, 10 minute, whatever the next this line is. I doubt that there's probably but whatever. Say this 15 minutes is next, it'll fire over to the 15-minute like this does. But it has to be NAS. When that happens for the first time, you can take a market order entry. And that's what you do. All these other signals that are called out, you follow the rules. That's it. Now we are making, this will help out whoever said that, I'll have to go back to them. A room, Lord willing, he's going to be working on that soon. We're making a first time room for when the weekly daily does it, and when the daily 5, 10 minute hour does it. We're going to make a first timers room. And that will help you guys out in tier one and tier two. Yeah, what happened to Sue Carr, whatever his name was? Get out of here. They're so annoying. They have to be, you can't even be a hater anymore. You can't be anything anymore. Matter of fact, see it, bro. Fucking clown world. Richard Graham. Hey, Richard, what's up, Richard? Good morning. Did I answer your question on how to trade it for tier one and tier two people? That's how you would trade it. It's manual, but we will be putting first time rooms in for you guys so it will track it. So it'll say, NAS, if this happens, like I just told you how to do it manually, Lord willing, we'll have a room for you where it says E1M15 NAS first time. Does that make sense? Good morning, sir. I know some of you think that I'm mean when I shred people like that, but I'm not. I'm just being matter of fact. That's why he didn't respond, because there's nothing for him to respond to. Nothing at all for him to respond to. He can't argue because he's wrong. He's 100% wrong. Okay, if Mr. Graham isn't here, everybody else understand how to trade tier one and tier two? You manually have to track it for each symbol you'd like. And then we're going to eventually make a room for you guys. Sevens, if you understand that. Oh, yay. Until I go. All right. 26 people. I'm really annoyed at the number of people. Maybe because I'm on later this meeting. I don't know. Okay. So I've taught you how to do tier one, tier two trades with the signals, how to do tier three signals, how to use the system law just by itself, how to use it with the sniper. Went over some trades. I went over some trades with you. Does anybody have gold is climbing in the daily? Yeah, absolutely it is. And let's go over why. See, this is my buy-in, daily buy stop gold. I have a gold trade open. The reason I took the gold trade, and everyone, buy stop gold from 15 seconds to daily until the weekly pink line touches the blue. Just that. It's the second time it happened, first time. That, but we'll see. I'm here, yeah. Yes, you're welcome, Richard. Holding until the weekly pink. Yes, correct, LT. See, LT's been with me a while. Thank God, LT. He actually listens. That's exactly right. Or you can get out here too, LT. Either or, doesn't matter. You can get out when you touch the yellow, that's fine. Or you can get out when the pink goes up and touches the blue. Lock in profit, let it bottom line. Lock in profit. Let it. All right, guys. TikTok, there's any questions before I go? TikTok, any questions before I go? Otherwise, thank you guys. God bless you all. Here, I forgot. These are the trades I'm currently in. I'm in a buy on US oil strictly for the long term. That's a weekly one. I'm in a buy on gold that I took live in front of you. I took the oil one, by the way, but I took the gold one the other day on 712. 712. It's a fucking shit ton. I took a buy on 712 for US 30. It's up 1,000 pips. Insane. I took a buy on 710 US 30. It's up 1,500 pips. Insanity. On 6-7, I took a buy on Odd USD just to test the sniper theory, and it worked perfectly. I'm going to hold it till it's daily blue line. On 6-4, I took a NAS buy. It's up 1,700 pips. This is like a $1,200 account. And that's it. It does, Keith, just like an ATM yesterday. I'm just like, yeah, LT, perfect. Just let it run, baby. You're welcome, Botnator. Thank you for being here, sir. Thank you, Jeremy. All right, guys. Leaving TikTok, heading over to YouTube for a split minute. God bless you all. I should be on later today. We'll see. You never know. I broke my fast. I'm so happy, and I can talk really over. Oh, guys, pile of shit. All right, but I get a lot of people from TikTok, so that's why I have to stick on there. You are. Triple A. All right. God bless you all on YouTube. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm out of here. YouTubers, see you later this afternoon.